Here we go. Let's just see what that little rip was. All right, YouTube, what's going on? We're gonna try this again. We got a Max 8 G2 censored hobbywing, 150 amp speed controller. We got a 4000 kV hobbywing motor, censored, fully censored deal here, running on a CNHL 4S pack. I'll show you right here, 4S pack, CNHL, right there, 5 wires, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're gonna run this thing and see what it does here. Let me get this strap back on here and plug this thing in. I don't want to shut the video off, you know the rules, no video shut off. So we're gonna try to keep this thing just rolling along here. That battery ain't in there very good, boy. Holy crap, that battery ain't in there very good. Hope that stays in there. Is that in the top hole? Nope, bottom hole. All right, let's put the body on this thing real quick. Get this thing going down the road. See what she'll do here for us today, folks. Body on it. Sorry about the long video, guys. I wanted to follow your little rules here. You know, shouldn't have plugged that in yet without my controller on. Goofy butt. That's all right, dude. We got her now. Actually, I don't even think it's turned on this car, so that's no good. It's not. 6, this car. All right, we're on this car. Antenna up. Let's turn this thing on. See what she's got here. Oh, I'm scared to death of this thing. It's got slide motor mount and how, different gearing. All right, here we go. Start. All right, she's on 15 satellites now. Lay that down there. She's on, it says. Oh, it's pulling bad now. Oh, what the world? Why is it so? Oh, there it went off the road. Same setup, hobbywing, all that good stuff. I just walked down here to get it. I'm just gonna sit the damn thing down. I'm gonna take it down here a little further, just so I can see it. What the hell I'm doing here? Cause it is dark and obviously I can't see what the hell I'm doing. And it's got enough steering to turn around in the middle of the road. I don't know why in the hell I don't. Now we're gonna walk clear back down here, y'all. Put that in the middle of the road. Stop that right there. Sorry guys, it's gonna take a second. But do what you gotta do sometimes. I think it's gonna be worth it in a second though. Hopefully I don't crash the damn thing, but we shall see. So Lord, sorry guys, I'm fat, out of wind, no cars coming still. I can't even see the damn thing myself, so this is gonna be bad. Let me just see. Here we go. Let's just see what that little rip was. That was by no means full bore. I get it turned around there? I did. I can't see it at all, y'all. It's too dark. We're gonna see what that little hit got it though. That's good enough for a quick little test hit, I guess. Just to see what she's doing. She might have to get 5S'd, which I got a 5S at home. But let's just see what that hit did without plugging in no lights so I can see it. We might plug in some lights so I can see it and see what it does, what it actually hit. But for now, let's just see what that was real quick. All right, here we go. Stop, read. 91 miles an hour right there, guys, and I wasn't even fucking laying in it yet. Holy crap, this thing's gonna roll. Y'all see that? 91 mile an hour right there and wasn't even laying in it yet, y'all. I barely laid in it when it got beside me and I let off because it's so dark I couldn't see, but she's gonna rip well over 100. We're gonna wait till tomorrow so I got some more light. I don't want to wreck this thing again, but here, let me show y'all, just so everybody knows I didn't do no trickery or shut nothing, take nothing out. Or that is a censored Max 8 G2 hobbywing ESC, a 4000 kV hobbywing motor. My battery about to come out of there. You can see the CNHL 4S little shorty pack, nothing big at all. 5 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll even show you around it. 4S pack, right there it is, 100C 4S pack. Boys, this thing is like a rocket ship and I didn't even lay in it yet. Oh man, GNSS performance analyzer, right there it is, y'all. Let's just screenshot that. 91 mile an hour, boys and girls. 91 mile an hour. My personal best is 98 with the other car last year, but this one's got that smoke, boys and girls. I'll tell you right now, this one's got that in the bag. But that's gonna do it for this one. Sorry about the long and all that. Actually, I can cut it out because that's not even gonna be my permanent run or nothing, so I can cut that out and just show you all the video, I guess. But 91 mile an hour, y'all. Ooh-wee, she's rolling. I ain't even close to tapping into it yet. I can put it on 5 or 6S still too, guys. This is nothing. She's gonna roll. We'll get her back out here tomorrow and we got some more daylight. Peace out, y'all.